you're going to tell us your favourite, noisiest place to hang out. And these two are going to be hanging out there. But I'm going to need an adult to come up here, hold my microphone, and provide the sound effects. So, if they are opening a can of pop, what would that sound like? Perfect. Perfect. Being attacked by a seagull, what would that sound like? Perfect. So, first things first, can I have an adult please come up and volunteer? Oh! I'm so sorry, Molly. You're very lucky. Have a seat for me, my love. What's your name? Alex. Hi. You told me earlier, didn't you? But for the benefit of our beautiful audience, this is Alex. So I'm going to give you this microphone in a minute. Okay, so where is the noisiest places you hang out?
In the playroom.
In the playroom, we bet it's noisy with you as well, isn't it? Yeah? St James's Park, nice. Scotland. That's amazing. Okay, I love everybody's suggestions, isn't it great? I think that you're in Scotland. And maybe there's a noisy dog there too, okay? So, you just listen, they'll give you cues. You can make extra sound effects if you want. Take it away.
Oh, I'm so glad we decided to come to Scotland.
Yes, Barbara, I love the Scottish Highlands. Ah, listen to the bagpipes. Oh, it's beautiful. There's an acting Scotsman over there.
What's he saying? Can you hear what he's saying?
Get on here now. Please, sir.
Don't be 5 Scottish pounds.
Very large purse. It's fine.
£5, there we go. Haggis, right. Would you like to have a bite of the haggis?
Oh, I love it.
Have a bite of that. Such a noisy eater, Barbara.
I think it's disagreeing with my stomach.
Oh. Oh no, it's not going to happen, is it, Barbara?
I don't know.
It's not.
I don't know.
Do you need the toilet?
I think I do.
Oh my word! Barbara!
I'm so sorry. I think I'll be alright.
Here, have this packet of crisps. It might save your stomach. Can I have one? Oh, they're nice.
They are nice. But anyway, let's continue.
Yes, oh, watch out for that bus. What they're like? It's an electric one.
It's okay. It's going very slow.
Yes.
Oh, somebody's offering a flyer for a show. Listen.
Oh, would you like to come to the comedy checkout?
Rubbish.
Discount price, please come.
He's desperate.
Oh, yes, they're very desperate.
Okay, we'll take one, thank you.
Thank you.
What have you always wanted to do in Edinburgh?
Oh, I've always wanted to go to the castle.
The castle, it's haunted, you know. Yes.
Haunted bagpipe.
My word.
I don't know if I want to go there.
Come on, let's go in.
Okay, we're going.
Hello, Mary Queen of Scots.
Mary Queen of Scots.
She's still working here. Wow.
God, she's been here a while.
She's been here a while. 2 for the castle, please. How much is that?
That would be 20 Scottish pounds. It must be Scottish.
Only Scottish back. Open that purse again, see if it's
Oh,
noisy
it's
this
in my
time.
bag this time.
Have you stripped your trousers, Barbara?
You'll have to go in the back for me. Go in the back.
Oh, sorry, it's my robot arm. It happens sometimes.
Pay the back. Let's go in the
There we go.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, yeah. Into the castle we go. Now, stay close to me because it'll make it scary.
Yes, let's go up these very loud steps.
What are they still?
No, I think it was made of glass. I don't know what that was. What was that?
That looks like a rare antique vase.
Oh no. Do you think we'll get into trouble for this?